Welcome to Workers Direct, where we take you behind the scenes of some of the most essential jobs in our society. Today, we're giving you an inside look at a day in the life of a road worker, showing you what it takes to keep our roads safe and functional. Early morning preparation. A typical day for a road worker starts early. It's important to be well prepared, as the job involves physical labor and long hours on site. Safety is a top priority, so every day begins with putting on the right gear. Hard hats, high-visibility vests, steel-toed boots, and gloves are all essential. Arriving at the job site. By the time the sun rises, the crew is already on site, preparing for the day's work. Setting up cones and safety signs is the first task, ensuring that both workers and drivers stay safe. Each worker has a specific role, from operating heavy machinery to managing traffic. Teamwork is crucial in making sure the job runs smoothly and efficiently. Morning briefing and task assignment. Every morning starts with a briefing led by the site supervisor. Here, the team reviews the day's objectives, discusses safety protocols, and assigns specific tasks to each worker. Clear communication is key. The team needs to be on the same page to handle any challenges that might come up during the day. The work begins. Once the briefing is done, it's time to get to work. Road workers perform a variety of tasks depending on the project. This can include laying asphalt, repairing potholes, painting road markings, or even constructing new roads. Operating heavy machinery, like excavators and pavers, requires skill and precision. It's hard work, but every task is crucial to keeping our roads in top condition. Challenges on the job. Working as a road worker comes with its challenges. Weather conditions can be unpredictable, with extreme heat, cold, or rain affecting the job. Heavy traffic is another challenge. Workers need to be vigilant and cautious, as they're often working close to moving vehicles. Safety measures are always in place, but it's a demanding environment. Lunch break and team camaraderie. After a few hours of intense work, it's time for a well-deserved break. Lunch is a time to refuel and relax, but it's also a chance for the crew to bond. Camaraderie among the team is strong. The job can be tough, but working together builds a sense of teamwork and friendship that makes the challenges easier to handle. Afternoon work and finishing the day. After lunch, it's back to work. The afternoon is spent completing the day's tasks, whether it's laying the final layer of asphalt, painting lines, or ensuring that everything is safe and up to standard. As the day comes to an end, the crew cleans up the site, removes safety signs and cones, and makes sure everything is in order before heading home. Reflections and why roadwork matters. Being a road worker is more than just a job. It's about contributing to the community. Roads are the arteries of our cities and towns, and without them, everything from commuting to commerce would come to a standstill. Road workers play a vital role in maintaining and improving this infrastructure, making sure that people can travel safely and efficiently every day. Conclusion and call to action. And that's a day in the life of a road worker. It's a challenging but rewarding job that keeps our cities moving. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.